in today's competition, Duck In, Duck Out. Introduce yourself.
I'm Farisha from Trini Famalay Crew, and we are the duck mechanics today.
Farisha, what your partner did on the ground there?
We use a transmission. We made a fireside out of a transmission, which is on hydraulics. So whether you are short or you're tall, we can adjust it for you. So if you're a short person, we carry it down for you. If you're tall, so you don't have to bend, you don't have to struggle. You can cook with ease.
Oh wow, so they accommodate you then?
Yes, most definitely.
So we're trying to find out. I mean, you don't have to tell me, but what is the secret ingredients that make your duck special?
We don't have any secret ingredient. Anybody can cook a curry duck with simple ingredients. Our secret ingredient is love. We cook with love. We love to cook. And if you love what you do, the result is awesome.
I ain't gonna lie, I have a real loving vibration here today. A lot of the contestants say the same thing. I don't know if it's a conspiracy because I don't want to tell Mike what's the secret ingredient. But if you had a word of advice to the judges, what you tell the judges?
What, concerning curry duck?
Concerning the competition and concerning today's event.
Yeah, but not in sport there. What would I tell them? It's all about having a good time, family, friends, food. It's not so much about competing, but enjoying oneself.
Thank you for coming here on Mike on the mic. I'm coming around with my little bowl and thing now because my guy is on the outside, but we go take the little corridor competition now.
We're gonna fry some Lorries.
Cause we outside from love.